As Totality approaches, you're going to want to allow yourself plenty of time to get the MATLAB software set up to take darks and Totality images. You don't want to be rushing to take darks, so these should be done well before Totality. Before starting software, ensure that the GPS has been unplugged and the camera and Arduino are plugged in. Also ensure the dust cover is on the telescope. When everything is ready, open MATLAB. Opening MATLAB will take a few moments as the software is intensive. This screen will pop up when you open MATLAB. The first thing to do is to take darks. Darks are taken with the dust cover on the telescope, so when you are sure the dust cover is on, type log hardware shutter into MATLAB as shown here. Then you will type a name for the images that you are saving. The naming scheme is CATE, followed by your site number, underscore the type of data you're taking. In this instance, it is named data dark because you are recording darks. Hit return and let the code start. It will take a while for the graphic user interface, or GUI, to appear. When recording darks, this is essentially what the image will look like. You expect it to be dark because no light is entering the camera. At this time, hit the Start Log button to start taking dark images. Note that the counter will increase as you let the program run. You should run this program for 60 seconds to record a sufficient amount of darks. After 60 seconds have passed, hit the Stop Log button. It will take 10 to 15 seconds for a message to appear telling you the process has stopped, and about 45 seconds for the GUI to close and MATLAB to save the buffered images. At this point, the dust cover can be removed from the telescope and replaced with the solar filter. Before moving on, double, triple, and quadruple check the solar filters on the telescope. Once you're sure the filter is on, point the telescope back to the sun. You will use the same log hardware shutter code to record Totality images, and follow the same naming scheme. For Totality, you should name the images CATE, followed by your site number underscore Totality. Hit return, and again MATLAB will start parallel computing threads and take a few seconds to load the display. At this point, you will see partial phases on the display. As you get closer and closer to Totality, the sliver of the sun visible will become drastically smaller. Before Totality starts, it is a good idea to open the directory where your images are being stored. This way, if the counter stops for some reason, you can still verify that images are being saved. Images are automatically saved in the documents of your PC in the MATLAB folder. There will be a subfolder labeled Data, and this is where your images are stored. The following clip was recorded in Tanjung Pandan, Indonesia during the 2016 total solar eclipse. This is an example of what will occur during Totality.
There it goes.
Let's see. Hit it.
It's going. Stop.
Got it.
There's some ring.
Venus up. John could get Venus. You gotta do the GoPro or anything?
No, it's just running.
Oh, brilliant.
Mars?
Venus. Mars should be back here. You see Mercury between Venus
Oh,
and
it's
the Sun?
Mercury. That's
yeah,
what
yeah,
I was pointing at.
Can't see Mars.
Kok ada bintang?
Be careful.
Itu bintang.
Halfway. See the corona? Can't see anything else up there. Can't see
You see him though. Left there, there's like a.
That looks like a Bailey's bead on the left.
Is it
Is
still?
that what that is? That red bead there? Too early for Bailey's beads. Lower left?
Yeah.
Numbers.
They stopped.
You are taking data, right?
I shouldn't be. It was going. It was at the top too now.
2 minutes and 7. We should be almost over. Here comes the diamond ring.
Where'd this go? Oh, that's right. Stop data.